Hi, I'm copper sulfate.
And I'm magnesium sulfate.
And we're Hydrate.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you know what a hydrate is? Okay.
No! So, since everyone's wondering, magnesium sulfate, tell us what you really are.
I'm an ionic compound that contains water molecules in its structure.
Me too!
Hydrated compound, copper sulfate pentahydrate, is heated. The water molecules associated with the ionic solid are driven off, leaving copper sulfate with no associated waters. This compound is called anhydrous copper sulfate.
Excuse me, do you know what an anhydrate is? Someone who is not hydrated, or not a hydrate.
If you put the form of the metal in when it's anhydrous or without water, you can then watch for the color change to indicate that water is creeping into your system. Copper 2 sulfate is a real common example. Copper 2 sulfate likes to absorb, if you will, 5 waters, making the CuSO4.5H2O.
Hey, copper sulfate.
Hey!
Do you want to go to the gym and work off all of our water?
Yeah, we can become anhydrates.
Yeah. When I walk on by, girls be looking like Debbie Fly. I pimp to the beat, walking down the street and my new the freak, yeah. This is how I roll, animal print pants out control. It's Red Bull with the big ass bra, and like Bruce Lee, I got.
What's an anhydrate? An anhydrate is the substance that remains after water is burned off from the hydrate.
Show me an experiment.
Our first step is to mask the beaker. Then we have to mask the beaker and the hydrate. Then we'll heat the hydrate for 15 minutes. After heating, we're going to let it cool for 10 minutes. Do you know how to find the formula of a hydrate?
You take what you put into it to make it hydrated, and that's your equation. That's about it.
Body, girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me.